crazy, surprising cleaning tip for you. The shop didn't have a degreaser for my rims, and I was using a cleaner it was like a dry clean wax kind of thing that they said would work a little bit, but no, not strong enough. So the surprising tip, what gave me this idea, I had some really gooey, gummy pest stuff that's sticky to trap bugs. And the way that you clean that off of your hands because it's so sticky is first you dilute it with vegetable oil. And so I thought I'd try some vegetable oil on the rim, and surprise, surprise, it gets the grease right off, puts it on the rag, puts it on the paper towel, and you know, you can clean the rim later. You can clean the vegetable oil off really easily. So that's not a big deal. You know, you don't want to leave vegetable oil on your tires, of course, but I'm not using so much vegetable oil that it's getting on my tires, and it works really well, and it'll be easy to get that vegetable oil off. So, tip for cleaning your rims, don't want to use a lot of chemicals. Look at that.